BIM is a technology that's really kind of taken precedence in the last decade. What it does is it allows you to create models of buildings that are actually smart, they're intelligent. An object in the model knows what it is. So a wall knows that it is a wall, it knows whether or not it supports other things, it knows that there are holes cut in it and those holes are doors or windows, it knows how a door and window has to act, and on down to the very smallest piece of a building. You can model it and that piece can know what it is. And what that gives us is the opportunity to make sure that an idea as it's designed will actually work when it's put together in the field. We've taken people from every different subcontractor and put them together here in one room. We're modeling on the same server so we can all look at each other's models at the same time. For instance, the HVAC contractor can see what the plumbing contractor just modeled. The old way of coordinating these kinds of systems was each subcontractor created their own shop drawings, but no one ever looked at those shop drawings for whether or not two systems were on top of each other. What we have now is we're generating not just shop drawings, but we're generating one conglomerate building model where all of the different building systems are together in one place, and we're generating it all here together as a team. We run what's called a clash detection. That clash detection tells us which duct is running into which pipe, and we can immediately look at it in 3D and figure out which direction do we need to move which piece. The first time we actually put together all of our different models for one level, we may actually show up to 2,000 clashes, for instance. And remember, each of those 2,000 clashes is something that the old way would have been found when that piece was installed in the field, and then someone would have had to change, and that change has a really expensive ripple effect. So here, when we find it, it may be two people looking at a model, and it may take 10 to 15 minutes to fix 5 clashes. So what you've just done is saved maybe 100 man-hours of time in the field and in the fabrication shop. And so if you just look at the cost of that time, the dollar savings for each clash that we detect and fix is huge. When we fix a problem, we want to fix it the right way, and the most cost-effective way, and the best way for the system overall. It saves the owner money, it gets them in their building faster, which is better for everybody.